Daawwattoota YouTube Keenya Akkuu English with Oromic baga nagahaan dhuftan isiniin jenna, baga nagahaan nu eeydanii. Har'a guyyaan kun guyyaa wiixataati. Guyyaa wiixataa wanni nu barachuu hennu spookinii yeroo jedhu waa'ee maatii keessanii, waa'ee family Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Akkuu English with Oromic. It's me, Mr. Adam. I am back today with another video. So it's nice to see you guys. It's nice to see all of you guys. So today is Monday, and on Monday we are going to learn about speaking. When I say about speaking, we are going to learn about family relatives. Every language has some different ways of referring to a family members. Do you guys wonder how you would refer to a family members in English? So, if you do, please stay with me till the end of this video. And before I start this video, I would love to say, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, give us comment. So, thank you and stay with me till the end of this video. Daawwattoota YouTube Keenya Akkuu English with Oromic baga nagahaan dhuftan isiniin jenna, baga nagahaan nu eeydanii. Har'a guyyaan kun guyyaa wiixataati. Guyyaa wiixataa wanni nu barachuu hennu spookinii yeroo jedhu waa'ee maatii keessanii, waa'ee family maatii akka akaakayyuu, abbeeraa, eessumaa, soddaa kanniin maal akka isin jettanii fayyadamtan afaan Ingiliffaatiif isin barsiisuu henna. Kanaafu please hanga dhuma video kanaa nu wajjin turaa isiniin jenna. Namni YouTube channel kanaaf haarawaa ta'e please comment, like, subscribe godhuu hin dagatina. Nu wajjin turaa. So we are going to get started now. So as I say, we are going to learn about family relatives. The first one says grandparents, the parents of your parents. So the parents of your parents, grandparents. Grandparents jechuun abbootii akaakayyuu yookaan akkooteetii, abbootii jaraati. Abbootii jaraatiitiin grandparents jennaan. So the second one is grandmother, the mother of your father or mother. Grandmother. So she is the mother of your father or mother. Grandmother jechuun haadha abbaa keetii yookaan haadha keetii. Grandmother. The third one, grandfather, the father of your mother or father. Grandfather, he is the father of your mother and father. Grandfather jechuun abbaa haadha keetii yookaan akaakayyuu keetii, abbaa haadha keetii yookaan abbaa abbaa keetii. Grandfather jennaan. He is my grandfather. Let's get to the fourth one. Grandchildren, the children of your child. So they are children of your child. So that means is if it's a son or maybe a daughter, they are a child of your own children. Grandson jechuun ilma keetii, mucaa ilma keetii, ilma keetii. Grandson. Grandchildren, grandson, the son of your children. Grandson, the son of your children. Grandson jechuun mucaa ijoollee keetii, mucaa yookaan mucattii teetii, mucaa keetii. Grandson jettaan. Granddaughter, the daughter of your child. That means is that she is a daughter of your child, your children, your own children. She is not yours. She is a child of your children. Ijoollee granddaughter, mucattii teetii, mucattiin tee argatte, granddaughter. Let's get to the next one. Great grandfather, the mother of your grandfather or grandmother. So great grandfather is they are a parents of your grandpa and your grandpa. Great grandfather jechuun akaakayyuu yookaan akkoo ta'e abbaa akaakayyuu teetii, abbaa akkoo teetiiti. Great grandfather. Grandparents, the parents of your grandparents. They are the parents of your grandpa and your grandma. Abbootii abbootii yookaan haadha akaakayyuu teetii, akkoo teetii. Grandparents, great grandparents, the parents of your grandparents. Uncle, the brother of your mother or your sister. Uncle jechuun obboleessa haadha teetii yookaan obboleessa abbaa keetii yoo ta'e uncle jettaan. Aunt, the sister of your mother or your father. So if she is your mom's sister or your dad's sister, you would call her aunt. She is your aunt. Aunt jechuun obboleettii abbaa keetii yookaan haadha teetiitiin aunt jettaan. Cousin, the child of your aunt or uncle. So if your uncle or your aunt have child, they will be your cousin. So cousins are children of your aunt and your uncle. Cousin jechuun ijoollee adaadaa teetii yookaan ammoo ijoollee eessumman teetii siif cousins jedhamti. Cousin jettaan. Niece, the female child of your brother. Niece, the female child of your brother. So if your brother have a female child, she would be your niece. You would call her niece. Niece jechuun yoo obboleessi kee mucattii intala durbaa qabaate niece jettaan. Niece. Nephew, the male child of your sister. So if your sister have a son, if she has a boy, he would be your nephew. Nephew jechuun obboleettiin tee yoo mucaa dhiiraa qabaatte, ilma dhiiraa yoo qabaatte siif nephew jedhamti. Siif nephew jettaanati. Sister. So everybody knows sister. Sister is a girl who has the same dad and mom as you. She was born with you. So if you have the same mom and dad, she is your sister. Sister jechuun obboleettii wajjin dhalatte. And also brother is the same. Brother is the same as sister, but also brother is if you have the same mom and dad, he is your brother. Obboleessa jechuun ka wajjin dhalattanii wajjin guddattanii jettan obboleessa. Siblings, your brother or sister. Siblings jechuun obboleettii tee yookaan obboleessa keetiin siblings jettaan. They are your siblings. Stepfather, the new husband of your mother but not your biological father. So let's say your mom was married to somebody else. So the person who she got married to, his new husband, he would be your stepfather. He is not your biological father. He is not your real father. But he is also your father. But your mom's new husband is your stepfather. Stepfather jechuun yoo haati ta'e nama biraatti heerumtee jette, namni sun namni isin itti heerumte sun namni haaroon isin amma itti heerumte sun your stepdad jedhama. Stepfather. Stepmother, the new wife of your father but not your biological mother. So if your mom got married, if your dad was married to somebody else, if he got a new wife, she would be your stepmother. Stepmother jechuun yoo abbaan kee jaartii biraa fuudhee jedhe, jaartiin sun siif stepmother jedhamti. Stepfather and stepfatherii fi stepmotheriin haadha buddeenaa yookaan abbaa buddeenaa jedhamti. Stepson, the son of your new husband or wife. He is not your biological son. So let's say you married to a new wife. You got a new wife, and that wife you married she has a son. She already has a son. That son would be your stepson. He is not your biological son. He is your stepson. Stepson jechuun yoo niitii biraa fuutee jette, niitiin ati fuute sun ammoo yoo ilma qabaattee jette, ilmi sun your stepson. Ilmi sun keetii miti, kaatee argattee miti waan ta'eef your stepson jedhama. Stepdaughter, the daughter of your new husband or wife. She is not your biological daughter. So as I said about stepson, it's opposite, but your stepdaughter is, as I say, if you were married to someone else, you got a new wife, and that wife has already maybe a daughter, she already have a child, so she would be your stepdaughter. Yoo niitii biraa fuutee, yoo niitii wahii fuutee, niitiin ati fuute sun mucattii durbaa qabaatte, intala durbaa qabaattee jette, she would be your stepdaughter. Stepdaughter siif taati. Stepsister, the daughter of your stepmother or sister. So stepsister is if your dad has two wives. So now if your dad has two wives, from the other wife, not the one that gave birth to the other one, her children will be your stepsister. Her daughter will be your stepsister. Abbaan kee yoo niitii lama qabaatee jedhe, niitiin tun mucattiin intalti niitii taanii, niitii lammaffaa sun mucattiin isii stepsister. And also stepbrother, the son of your stepmother or stepfather. So that means is that if your mother has another husband, and that husband has a son or maybe a children from another mother, so those children will be that boy will be your stepbrother. Yoo abbaan kee niitii lama qabaatee, niitii lammaffaa sun mucaa dhiiraa qabaatte, ilma dhiiraa yoo qabaatte, stepbrother jedhama. Stepbrother jettaniin. Abbaan keessan lachuu tokkoma, garuu haati keessan lamaan garagara. Stepbrother. So now in the middle, I'm going to tell you guys something. Grandparents, aunts, uncles, nephew, niece, cousins. So those type of people, those type of families, they are called an extended family. They are called extended family. So cousins, uncles, aunties, niece, together they are called extended family. So akaakayyuu miti eessuma adaadaa niece, cousin, nephew, mucattiin obboleettii teetii, ijoolleen adaadaa teetii, ijoolleen eessuma keetii kunniin waliigala extended family jedhanii. Extended family. Brother, sister, parents, spouse, children kunniin ammoo immediate family yookaan nuclear family jedhan. So mother-in-law. A mother-in-law, the mother of your spouse. She is the mother of your spouse. Mother-in-law jechuun soddaatii tee. Son-in-law, the husband of your daughter. So son-in-law is a husband of your daughter. So the man who was married your daughter, so he is called son-in-law. Since he got married to your daughter, so he would be your son-in-law. Namichi intala tee fuudhe. Namichi intala tee fuudheen son-in-law jettaan. Kama intala tee fuudhe bichaan jetta ka biraatii miti. Sumaan son-in-law. Daughter-in-law, the wife of your son. So daughter-in-law she is the wife of your son. So that means is that your son's wife. So your son's wife would be your daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law jechuun niitii ilma keetii. Niitii ilma keetiitiin daughter-in-law. Brother-in-law, the husband of your sister. Brother-in-law, the husband of your sister. So your sister's husband would be your brother-in-law. So the man who got married to your sister would be your brother-in-law. Namichi obboleettii tee fuudhe brother-in-law jedhama. Ka obboleettii tee fuudhe. Ka haatee fuudhee miti, ka obboleettii tee fuudhe. Brother-in-law. Sister-in-law, the wife of your brother. Sister-in-law, the wife of your brother. Sister-in-law, that means is that she is the wife of your brother. So your brother's wife, she would be your sister-in-law because she was married to your brother. Since she got married to your brother, she would be your sister-in-law. So for today, that's all I have. And this is the end of our video. So before I end this video, I would love to say thank you to you guys for watching us, for supporting us, for being with us. We want to thank you guys so much. So we want to say this to everybody. Everybody, please support us and be with us, watch our videos. And so this is all we have today. I will be back another day with another video. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give us likes on our YouTube channel. So please, thank you. Daawwattoota YouTube keenya Akkuu English with Oromic. Barumsi keenya karaa hagana fakkaataa hanga guyyaa biraatiif walitti deebinutti nagaan nuuf tura.